Do you want to make money playing a game on mobile? You're in luck. This is the first step to making money from your mobile game. Make money playing your favorite mobile games with this quick and easy guide on how to make money playing mobile games. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy and effective it is to make money from mobile games. Watch as I discover an app that pays me $288 in just one day. So, watch till the end. Make sure to check the links in the description below to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. How to make extra money while playing games. I'm here to talk about the many ways you can make money playing games on your mobile device. If you are interested in playing games all day, this is the perfect method for you. Yes! You can make money playing games on your mobile phone with no prior experience or knowledge. See how to get started now. Today I will show you an amazing app to get started with. It is called Playtestcloudcom. Playtestcloud was created to help game developers learn more about what players think about their games and if there are any issues that need to be addressed. For you, it's a chance to make some money on the side while improving mobile games. Being a playtester is not about being an expert. Game developers are looking for a variety of people to give feedback on their games, so anyone is free to join. The game developers want to know what you are thinking while you play their game. Is there anything that is confusing or frustrating? What do you like or dislike most while you are playing? What's your goal right at this very moment? So this software records all the action on the screen and what you say through the microphone, so please keep that in mind. That is because when you talk out loud while you are playing, your feedback will accurately reflect exactly what you are thinking and feeling at that moment. To become a play tester, click Become a Tester button above and then fill up the required information such as your name, age, location, device, favorite games, and email address. You'll get a short, unpaid qualification test that shows you how to be a tester, and then you'll be able to play test. This qualification test is to determine your eligibility in joining the Playtestcloud tester panel. When you become a part of the tester panel, you'll start receiving the real playtests that you get paid for. If you have any questions, you should check out more of our FAQs for testers here. How much money you can make as a play tester. The reward payment for each playtests can vary depending on the tasks required during the playtests and the length of the playtest itself. They will always let you know how much the reward payment is in the invitation email they send you. Generally, a 15-minute playtest and survey will have a reward of $9. You will get paid by PayPal, and the best part is there is no minimum amount that you need to reach to be paid, and they process payments for playtests as soon as possible after they have been reviewed, so you should not have to wait more than a few days to be paid. Keep in mind that being a playtester is not a full-time job but more of a fun way to make some money on the side occasionally. However, if you like to make big money as a core and long-term income source, make sure to check the links in the description. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.